Hey fam, welcome back to this weekly vlog. It is a nighttime kitchen clean with me. I basically finished work. You guys saw the kids were doing their homework and this is after dinner. So I wanted to get the place tidied up. The night before was Sanaya's birthday. So we had a little, gathering over here. Of course, food, of course. And then just celebrating her, nothing big because she was a little under the weather. But I definitely wanted to get the counters and stuff wiped down properly, the floor wiped up and all that good stuff. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Natasha. I'm a full-time working mom of 4. And on my channel, I bring you guys things on lifestyle, motherhood, and home, which include cleaning motivation, of course, organization, day in the life type videos, home improvements, anything that deals with being a wife and a mom, you'll definitely find here. So definitely, if that's the type of content that you like, I would love for you guys to stick around and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you to all my new style family that has joined. My oldies, I love you guys. Appreciate all the support that you guys are giving me. And this basically is how my night times usually go. I don't necessarily mop the house every night, but I do like to sweep up the house as much as I can and then just get the kitchen cleaned up, of course, putting dishes away and cleaning up the sink. I don't like to leave dishes in the sink at night. That's a pet peeve of mine. If it happens, it's not a deal breaker, but for the most part, I like to have, the kitchen tidy before I go to bed. Are there specific routines that you guys do weekly that helps keep you on top of things and keep your house in order? Definitely let me know in the comments below. I love to hear it, and maybe it's something that I can use for my own home when trying to keep everything on the up and up of being a, full-time working mom and just trying to balance it all. So I'm not going to do a whole bunch of talking. I'm going to let you guys enjoy this music, which I think is a little relaxing, and we're going to get into this video. And again, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, and let's go ahead and get more into the video. Talk to you guys a little later on.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop.
So if you're an oldie to my channel, you guys know that me and this rack in my sink have a love-hate relationship. I do try to clean it at least once a week. I honestly need to be cleaning it probably every day because it gets really nasty and I still have not thrown it out, but we'll see how long that takes for me to get rid of it.
Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. That's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby. Wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Ooh,
So I know I do post my Instagram handle over here, which I do still have an Instagram account. I have my Facebook account, and I am on TikTok. I've been on TikTok a little bit more lately, here and there, posting, random posts every now and then. It's not something that I'm on every day. My Instagram and Facebook, I just needed a break at the time with everything that was going on in life. So I actually have not got back on there as of yet. I'm not sure if I will get back on those particular social media accounts. I still have them. I do miss talking with, friends and stuff over there that I've made. So hopefully one day, once things ease up a little bit and I feel, that I'm ready, I will get back on there. So definitely, if you guys do have those handles or you want to follow me over there on those accounts, I definitely appreciate it. But for the most part, I will be here on YouTube because that's what I primarily set up those accounts for, just to get me out there for YouTube. And then for TikTok, I definitely will share over there because it's a little bit more easier.
Silent treatment in your cup, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard. Now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna face the consequences, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second guessing. I'm just wondering where we are. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and there for hours. Lately I've been trying to figure out, wonder if you're ever coming down, ever coming down. Look at me the way you do, keep giving myself into you. You know that I hate this part, surprised we ever got this far. We did go through all the circumstances, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second chances. Surprised we ever got this far. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and there for hours. Lately I've been trying to figure out, wonder if you're ever coming down, ever coming down. Baby, how did we ever come this way? I know you don't want to stay. Dreaming out of space, keep rushing down the highway. Keep yourself busy on the Sundays. You keep doing you, I do it my way. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and there for hours. Lately I've been trying to figure out, wonder if you're ever coming down, ever coming down.
So we are approaching the end of the video. It's not a long one. It's, I think, a short and sweet one. I hope you guys appreciated it, you liked it, and it gets to the point. Basically, some cleaning motivation for you guys. If you're cleaning along with me, great. I hope you prop me up on your TV, your tablet, your phone. We got some things done. If you were cleaning with me, definitely let me know in the comments below, or just give me a thumbs up to let me know that you guys were here. And again, like I said, it's a short one, but it's definitely a sweet one, giving you guys some motivation, and I hope you enjoy.
could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around. Got old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off. Baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone. But I'm just fine, I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'll get it done. I'm alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes, tables turn, you're on your own. When I think about the way